Hello, this is Nathan Neese, and I'm sharing with you my Learning and Technology Design capstone course project, which is creating a Blackboard Ultra tutorial course for Houston Baptist University. Points to be discussed are: how did the project get started? What were the project objectives? How does the completed project address each of the objectives? What are the steps to access the project? What are the different components of the project? And what are other professional applications of the project? Well, where to begin? How did the project get started? It started with an email from Dr. Alan Neese to all the students enrolled in this summer's 6300 capstone course. And she shared a note from Dr. Castor asking for someone to help the academic technology orientation course be changed into an Blackboard Ultra course. So the first objective was to communicate with Dr. Castor. So I emailed her and was approved to work with her. So we had a video conference, and then we had emails that we've had through the summer, me asking questions, her answering them, giving feedback. And so we've been able to work together through the summer. The second objective is to create the resources that would be used for the Blackboard Ultra tutorial course and any other areas as instructed by Dr. Castor. And so I started creating some of the resources and created those and sent them to Dr. Castor for approval. And I got some good positive feedback. So like the video you sent about the progress was excellent. She liked that the videos were clean, clear, and concise. They're all great qualities that she was looking for. She's confident that my experience will lead to a great product. I had asked her how to upload the videos, and so she set up a YouTube channel for academic technology. And then she had some very good constructive criticism. She would like to keep several of the basics that were already there. When I sent her some of the the videos, she said the quality seemed good, but they did not currently have a YouTube channel, so she set one up. She did give me some instruction on making sure she wanted the videos to be fairly short, and so have several of them instead of longer videos. And instead of sending them straight to her, she said I could go ahead and start posting them up on the academic technology orientation course. So that was some good constructive help. The fourth objective was revisions. So after feedback from Dr. Castor, I revised and resubmitted the resources. And so my quality was better. I started using Canva to build have a more consistent product. And I was able to change the background to include, a good picture of HBU.
Hello, and welcome to the Academic Technology Orientation Blackboard Ultra Tutorials.
In this video,
you'll see an overview of a Blackboard Ultra course.
Let's take a look.
Once you have logged into your HBU student account, click on the Blackboard icon. Then you'll see the welcome page. To look at a course, click on Courses. Now you will see a page that contains the courses.
So that's a little sample of some of the the videos that have been produced. And so objective 5 was to upload and organize those resources in the academic technology orientation class folder. So I was given access to the ATOR course. Again, she set up a YouTube channel so that the videos could be placed on YouTube and not use up, a lot of the HBU resources by storing large MP4 video files. And so here's what the HBU Academic Technology YouTube page looks like. So I was given access to the Academic Technology Orientation course, so I could begin uploading the tutorials onto the page. So how do you access the Blackboard Ultra tutorials? Well, once you are given permission to use the Academic Technology Orientation course, then all of those videos can be accessed through that course page. So the different project components were the tutorials that were created. I used Canva so that they would have a clean, concise, uniform look to them. I also recorded the videos in Canva with using the presentation record mode. And I was able to then save those as a MP4 file. And then once I had that video file, then I could upload the videos to the Academic Technology Orientation YouTube page. And from there, use those links to put them into the course page so that all HBU students could easily find them and have access to them. So where do we go from here? Well, the Academic Technology Orientation course has been set up to be used by students in the College of Education. And beyond that, it's also going to be used for all students at Houston Baptist University. And with this training and this experience, I teach at Second Baptist School. So I'll be able to create my, work on my physics course and be able to upload it and put it into the learning management system at Second Baptist. I also teach a second course called Scientific Entrepreneurship and Design. So I will be able to use those skills and put that course up online in the learning management system also. Thank you and blessings.